Yo, Bunny Town. Quick reminder, carrots equal money. Today, we're planting something.
There are two kinds of bunnies in this world. Most of them don't even know which one they are.
Bunny 1 digs carrots every single day. Hard work, but his paws are empty by nightfall.
Bunny 2 planted a tree. Same effort, different system.
1 year later, Bunny 2 has a forest.
This thing has a name. Asset. Anything that makes carrots for you.
Banker Benny, why does the tree work?
Ah, the asset question.
Bunny 1 trades time. Time is limited. Bunny 2 built a system. Systems work without you.
Banker Benny is right. So, what trees can a real bunny plant? 3 kinds.
Tree number 1, rent out a burrow. Slow growth, safe, reliable.
Tree number 2, a crop field. Stocks that pay you carrots every season. Real bunnies call this dividends.
Tree number 3, a chicken coop. Bonds. Same egg. Every day. Predictable.
Hi, babe. Want a shiny new burrow? Borrow now, pay later. Forever.
Kim Card sells liabilities. Liability takes carrots. Asset gives carrots. Don't confuse them.
You don't need a forest today. 1 carrot a week, 52 in a year. That's how trees start. 52 carrots choose your first sapling. It grows. You wait. Then it grows faster. Income pays the bills. Assets build the future.
Plant 1 tree. Today, even small. Stay smart, stay fluffy.